In this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on POCO F4. So first let's try Google Play Store, but as we all know this platform doesn't have it. We can always try to find it. No results found. Now let's check the Google Epic Games app right here. You can get that app from Epic Games Store website. Now here we can find a Fortnite. Let's click on it. And right here we can even launch it because we already downloaded it. So that means you can play Fortnite on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.